Hello everyone. This is from the students of Master of Business Studies of University of Kelaniya. We are going to present the digitalization strategy of Sri Lankan enterprises. According to the topic, we selected a agri-tech company in Sri Lanka. The company is Sensacro Private Limited, and our group members will continue the rest of the presentation.
Right. Thank you, Niroja. My task is to present the executive summary of the project. It provides an overview of the digitalization strategy designs for Sensgrow Private Limited. They have three main strategies objectives to fulfill in future. Niroja, can you slide? Okay, thank you. First strategy. First one is to reach 13,500 smallholder farmers by 2028. Addition to that, they have implemented automation process to reduce water usage by 40%. Simultaneously, they are expect to increase the yield by 20% using AI technology. Financial goal of the company to reach $15 billion in 2030. Next slide describe the strategies to achieve the goals. Okay. They are using three strategic pillars to achieve their goals. First one called platform integration. With this, they are integrate with Sri Lanka Agriculture Enterprises architecture to enable data sharing for crop insurance and credit scoring. Second one is inclusive tech adoption using model called high tech, high touch. Third one is SME digital infusion. By this, they expect to build a network between agribusiness SMEs and entities using AI. Next slide describe the roadmap. Okay. To achieve these goals, they have specific roadmap covering 2026 to 2028 with three phases. Activities such as online farmer registration, smart village concept, and blockchain related agri activities. They are concerned about risks and providing key solutions such as precision intelligence, data interoperability, cybersecurity protection, and key management. For the introduction part, I invite Mr. Sama.
Right. Thank you, Chatumal. This is the introduction part. I'll introduce Sensagro, an innovative agri-technology company that uses artificial intelligence, IoT, and predictive analysis to support smart farming. Their technologies help farmers improve productivity, reduce farming costs, and make better decisions using real-time agricultural data. Can we move to the next slide? Right. Sensagro provide advanced smart farming solution through AI-powered monitoring and crop intelligence platforms. This system collect and analyze the data such as climate, soil, and crop condition to provide real-time recommendation, early issue direction, and better farm management support. Can we go to the next slide? Right, this slide will explain vision and impact. Sensagro vision is to build technology that supports sustainable agriculture and global food production by combining AI, IoT, and data-driven farming solution. The company helps farmers increase crop productivity while reducing water, fertilizer, and energy uses. Now I hand over to next person to present their slide.
Thank you, Samal. Now we are going to discuss the business context analysis of Sense Agro Private Limited. Business context analysis evaluates the internal and external factors that influence an organization's performance, competitiveness, and long-term sustainability. This analysis examines the business environment of Sense Agro, including its market position, competitors, economic and legal factors, internal capabilities, and strategic opportunities for growth. Let's begin with market analysis. Key market trends influencing the Sense Agro are increasing adoption of smart farming technologies, raising demand for sustainable agriculture, water scarcity, and climate change challenges. Now let's look at the competitor analysis. Sense Agro competes with both local agri-tech companies such as Alcina Agro and international agri-tech companies such as TreatCorp, Grow Guru, and Pup Plant. Next, move to the economic and legal environment. Sense Agro's operations are influenced by Sri Lankan agricultural and economic environment. These include economic factors and legal and regulatory factors. These are the economic factors. Inflation and currency depreciation can increase hardware import cost. Farmer purchasing power directly affects demand. Agricultural subsidies and grants can create opportunities. The company must comply with the following legal and regulatory factors: agricultural technology regulations, import-export laws. Then we will move to the internal analysis. First, human resources. The company employs skilled team of professionals including agronomists, software engineers, IoT specialists, data analysis, and farm technology consultants. Next, technological resources. The company's core technological include IoT sensor network, AI-powered analysis, smart irrigation systems, crop intelligence platform, mobile applications, and real-time environmental monitoring systems. Innovation, research, and development. Sensagro places strong emphasis on research and innovations with organizations in Australia, Japan, Netherlands, and Malaysia. Finally, let's look at the SWOT analysis of Sensagro by next slide. Strengths are innovative agri-tech solutions, advanced IoT and AI technology, strong focus on sustainable farming. Weaknesses are limited market reach, high implementation cost, dependence on internet connectivity. Opportunities are growth of smart agriculture, government support for agri-tech, expansion into regional markets. Threats are strong competition, economic instability, rapid technological changes. Thank you. Next, I invite Niroja.
In Sense Agro Private Limited, there are stakeholders, two types, internal and external stakeholders. First, smallholder farmers. They are internal stakeholders. They have high interest and high influence in this company. They are the primary users. Their adoptions determine the success or failure of the entire strategy. And also, the second is Sense Agro Technical Team. They are internal stakeholders. They have also high interest and high influences, responsible for building the AI and IoT tools, integrations. They drive the technical feasibilities. Third one is Ministry of Agriculture. They are the external stakeholders. They also has high influences because regulate data standards and provide the national framework. for integrations. Fourth one is agribusiness and SMEs. They have the middle influencers because rely on Sensacro Connect for quality product. They provide the pull for farmer digitalization. Fifth one is investors and venture capitalized it. They also has high influences and high interest because provide the capital required for scaling the research and development. They demand measurable ROI. Thank you. Next, I call Monica.
Thank you, Niroja. To evolve from a hardware-centric model to a digital ecosystem orchestrator, SenseAgro requires a scalable cloud-native infrastructure that prioritizes real-time data processing and seamless integration with external parties. The architecture shown in this slide represents a scalable cloud-native infrastructure designed to support a real-time data processing and seamless integration with external parties. At the center of the system is a centralized digital platform that manages data collection, processing, analytics, and communication. As shown in the diagram, the infrastructure integrates several key technologies, including IoT sensors for real-time field data collection, cloud computing for scalable storage and processing, mobile application for easy farmers access, AI and analytics tool for predictive insights, API gateways for interoperability, and cybersecurity layers to protect sensitive information. The orchestrator functions as a bridge between stakeholders, enabling smooth information flow and efficient coordination across the system. In addition, the architecture is designed for future scalability, allowing new technologies and services to be integrated as the organization expands. Overall, this ecosystem improves operational efficiency, support better decision making, and promote sustainable agriculture practices. The next section explains why these specific technologies were selected. Each technology was chosen based on its alignment with the organization's operational goals and long-term strategy. For example, edge computing helps reduce latency and improve system performance in rural areas with limited connectivity. API gateways enhance interoperability by enabling integration with external systems and stakeholders. Blockchain technology improves trust, transparency, and traceability within the agriculture supply chain. Zero Trust cybersecurity strengthens data protection and reduces cyber risk. Meanwhile, cloud infrastructure provides scalability, flexibility, and cost efficiency, while AI and predictive analytics support smart decision making and resource optimization. Together, these technologies create a reliable and future-ready digital infrastructure that support innovation, sustainability, and long-term competitiveness. I invite Sarangi to conduct the next part of the presentation.
Thank you, Monica. Thank you, Monica. I'm going to explain digital culture and the change management in SenseAgro. First, let's look at the digital culture. The company has created an innovation-driven environment where employees are encouraged to bring new ideas and improve existing processes. This helps the company stay competitive and support continuous growth. Another important area is data-driven decision-making. The company uses real-time data and analytics to make better decisions instead of depending only on traditional methods. This improves efficiency and productivity. Sustainability is also connected with digital transformation. By using smart digital solutions, the company supports sustainable agriculture, reduces waste, and improves resource management. In addition, collaboration and knowledge sharing are very important. The digital platforms help employees, farmers, and stakeholders communicate easily and work together effectively. Now let's move to the change management. When introducing new technology, proper planning is necessary to ensure a smooth implementation. Employees must be trained and supported so they can adapt to new systems confidently. Customer awareness is also important, especially for farmers who use the platform. They need to understand the benefits of digital tools so they can accept and use them successfully. Organizational flexibility is another key factor. The company must be ready to respond quickly to changes in technology and custom needs. Let me talk about the challenges and the recommendations. Some traditional farmers resist using new technology, high implementation cost, lack of digital literacy in rural areas, poor internet access, and employee training needs also create difficulties. To overcome these challenges, the company should provide digital training programs, develop more user-friendly systems, invest in AI and advanced analytics to improve cybersecurity, and encourage continuous innovation and learning. These steps will help the company to achieve successful and sustainable digital transformation. Thank you. And now I am inviting to Tilini.
Thank you, Sarangi. I will briefly explain the importance of cybersecurity and risk management in Sense Agro Private Limited. The cybersecurity refers to protecting computer system, network, and company data from cyber threats. I will explain each point briefly. First one, strong password and multi-factor authentication. It's mean using strong password and multi-factor authentication improves account security. Next one, firewalls and antivirus software. These tools help protect system from malware and unauthorized access. Another one, regular software updates. Updating software helps fix security vulnerabilities. Data encryption. Encryption protects sensitive customer and agricultural data. Another one, network monitoring. Monitoring system helps detect phishing attack, malware, and suspicion activities early. Along with risk management, cybersecurity is also very important for protecting company information and systems. Next slide. Risk management. Risk management means identify possible problems that could affect the company and taking action to reduce those risks. At Sense Agro Private Limited, risk can include operational issues, financial losses, technology failures, or data-related problems. Then I will explain each point briefly. First one, identify operational, financial, and technology risk. The company first identify areas where problem may occur. Next one, access risk, impact, and likelihood. After identifying risk, the company evaluates how serious they are and how often they may happen. Implement preventive control. Monitoring system and control help reduce the chance of problems. Business continuity and disaster recovery plans. These plans help the company continue operation during emergency. Last one, employee awareness and compliance training. Employees are trained to follow company policies and reduce human errors. In conclusion, effective risk management and strong cybersecurity practices help Sensagro Private Limited protect its operations, employees, customers, and data. Thank you. Then I will invite to the Niroja.
Thank you. We are the students. We recommended to Sense Agro Private Limited, such as first one is integrate blockchain for traceability. as a global customer, demand more transparency. Sensagro should integrate blockchain technology into its farmer management system. This will create a emulate digital password for crops, allowing farmers to fetch premium prices in export market by providing organic or sustainable practices. Second one is expansion of the agri-entrepreneur model. To accelerate digital culture shift, the company should expand its youth lead programs by turning rural youth into certified service providers who manage the technology for their communities. Third one is hyperlocal weather monetization. Sensacro should leverage the vast amount of microclimate data is collected to create localized weather insurance product pertaining with fintech firms to offer parametric insurance where payouts are automatically triggered by sensor detected through the floods. Next one is enhance edge computing capabilities. To mitigate risk in areas with poor internet connections, the company should invest more in edge AI, processing data directly on the digital plant devices rather than the cloud will ensure real-time irrigations adjustment even during network outage. Then we can give a small conclusions. It's tech and touch approach to change management ensure that innovation remains inclusive, particularly for smallholder farmers. Ultimately, Sensagro services as a blueprint for how agrotech can drive both economic profitability for farmers and environmental sustainability for planet. Uh, we are in the final stage. So thank you so much for our group members and thank you so much to encourage us our lectures. Thank you.